Hey, how you doing, people from YouTube? I would like to show you guys how to replace your bell deck from a grandstand Toro mower. Um, what you're gonna do first? Because I was trying to do it, looking some videos on YouTube, something can help me, but I didn't find nothing. So, look, what you gonna do first is you're gonna put the bell has the diagram here. You wanna place the bell in there. And you're gonna take this pulley out, but in order you can take, you're gonna take this pole here, you take it off, but this one it have another one underneath all the way down to the bottom. But in order to take that one, in order to take this one, you have to pull it. This tensor, you have to pull it. What I did is I pull it with a other mower. You can do it with somebody else can help you, or you can find a way how to pull it. This is the way I did it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it and take this pulley out. You see, and then what you had it out, you're gonna bring your bell all the way down here, and you're gonna put it back, and you're gonna put the screw back. Let me see. There you go, right here. And then that's it. You're gonna put the pulley back and put the other ball on the bottom, but you have to move it. Remember, you have to move it to put the ball on the bottom. And that's the way that I did. And I hope it was can help you. Yeah, thank you. God bless.